Alright guys, it's finally time to build my new PC. I can't wait. So PC case, I got the Montech King 95 Pro. I was originally gonna get what was it called, a high T one, but I didn't get the 5090. I said in my last video I was gonna get 5090, but I'm not paying the $3,000 price. That's ridiculous. So right now I went for a 5070 Ti, which I did an unboxing video of it my last vid. So go see that if you haven't. But we went with this because, of course, the price, pretty good value. It even says right here on top. Let me see, the best value. All right, let's go ahead and start opening this now. All right, opened it. Let's look at it. Cheese. All right, I got it out finally. All right, let's see what we got here with the accessory box. Now we got the mesh front plate. Jeez, we're not gonna use it. I'm just gonna keep it glass. And then I think this is for the these for the SDs. Ooh, they got our little instructions guide thing for the 95. And then got all these screws. Again, it should be labeled. Yep, it's labeled. Jeez. All right, let's open this PC up. Here it is. Let me see. Do I need to rip it? Or can I just take it off? Can I take it off? Yeah, I can. Sheesh. Look at it. There's the PC case. Tempered glass. Oh. Look at the front. Oh. I like it. Alright, we open the PC case. I put it down. It's time to start the motherboard. So right here, I got the ROG CROSSHAIR X870 Hero, which I got like 8 months ago, which finally I can finally open. We got the Ryzen 9800 X3D. Look at that. Cheese. We got the Trident Z 64 gigabytes of RAM, DDR5 RAM. Cheese. And then my SSDs. Got the Crucial T705 for my main, and then this one's 4 terabytes, and then we got 2 other ones. I got 8 terabytes of SSDs. One's for my videos and editing, and the other one's for games. Currently, right now, I have over like 6 terabytes of videos, which I need to go through on my main PC. All right, but I don't think I'm gonna use for gaming all 8 terabytes. So if I ran out of space on this one, which I probably could, because like I said, I have 6 terabytes of videos already, and definitely gonna have more. Then that's what the other half is gonna be. Because in gaming right now, I have definitely 4 terabytes of games I have already. But we have all this extra storage, and if I need any extra storage, it's gonna be on the main one, because I have 4 terabytes of it. All right, now let's open this bad boy. Now when I got this from Newegg over 8 months ago. When they shipped this box, when I opened it, it was upside down. So hopefully the motherboard's not damaged. I'm gonna be sad if it is. All right, let's flip it over. Let's look at it. Cheese. All right. All right, let's open it. Cheese. So there's the M.Q release. The Q slide, and then the Q latch. That's how you do them. This one I'm worried about. There's a chance I could damage my GPU when I release it, so won't do that until whenever I get my 5080, hopefully, or 5090 if they finally lower the price. And there it is. All right, look at that. Cheese. Let's put it all to the side real quick. Alright, let's look at everything we got in here. Got the guides, instructions right here on the top corner. Got like it's a key card. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I think I am missing a bottle opener, because I know it's supposed to, I'm pretty sure when I saw an unboxing video a long time ago, they had one in here. Let me check out, let's see what's down here. So, oh yeah, there is a USB. I got a USB right here. That one's still there at least. I don't see no bottle opener. Oh no, it's right here. Oh my gosh. I thought it was on the top. I guess it was on the bottom. Jeez. I'm actually use this. And then here we got all the stuff we need for the motherboard. Here's the, I think it's the antenna for the Wi-Fi right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, all other things. Then I think there's some thermal pads right there. Alright, now that the motherboard's out, it's time to open this baby up. 9800X3D, let's go. Alright. Try not to take it off under here. There it is. Oh. Alright, let's open this thing up. Oh, this is my first time doing this. I am not no professional. Is it not supposed to be up? Uh-oh. Don't take it out. Alright. It's my first time doing this. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Alright. Oh. There's the notches right there. Alright, I think it's in. Oh my god, it's in. I did it, guys. I did it. Alright, scary part. I don't know. I'm scared, guys. Like that? I don't know. Oh my god, I'm doing too much movement. Oh my god, there's pressure. I can't do this sucker in. Oh my god. I gotta pray that I have it right. Hopefully it is. I think it is. Alright, it's time for the SSDs. Hopefully I put the CPU in right. I'm gonna crave it. Somehow bend them. Alright, here it is. Alright, let's take off this. So I think I press here like that. Oh yeah, like that. Ooh. Ooh. Fancy. Now let me take off the thermal. Oh my. This is, I don't know why I thought it was more bigger when I was every time I saw videos. Oh, there you go. Thermal padding. Okay, here it is. Is this way or the other way? It's this way, right? Alright, let's put in. Get in there, little sucker. Alright. There we go, latches on. I knew the latches on. I thought for a second I needed a screw. I knew it was supposed to latch on. Alright. That should be fine, making sure it's in. Alright. Alright, now I'm gonna take out the thermal pad on this. There we go. Alright, put that sucker in there. It is not in there. Alright, now next, my two other SSDs, the 8 terabytes, I already opened them up. So all we have to do, I already unscrewed it. We just unscrewed these 4 screws to take off this plate for the other M.2s. Alright, so this one's 2, M.2, 3, and then I forget which way is 4 and 5, but these are 4 and 5 right here. So I'm gonna have to use 4 and 5. I can't use 2 or 3, or it's gonna lower the GPU slot to ×8, I believe, or I don't know what's going to disable. I think it's going to disable this one too. So I think we're going to have to use these two. There's no thermal padding here, so hopefully it's fine. I think it is. There's thermal padding on the plate, so I think it should be fine. Hopefully. Alright, got it, and just do the scooch. There we go. The next one. Oh, that's the wrong one. Alright. And this sucker, get in there. There you go. I probably should have went down like that. Oops. That's fine. Alright. These 2 thermal pads, and we're going to plate it in. Alright. Last but not surely not least, the RAM. Here they are. Alright, let's open them up. Alright, I opened these two slots. let's put them in. If I can. Oops, and I already messed up already. Alright, let's second part right here. Jeez, it clamped on. Alright, now we're pretty much done. We just need to open the CPU cooler and set the probably bracket or something on. Let's do that next. Alright, here's my CPU cooler right here. I got a Thermalright Hypervision. I got the UB version. So this one, pretty sure the fans are already, you can't unscrew the fans. The regular one you can, this version I don't think you can. Pretty sure that's the difference. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, let's look what we got here. Cheese! This one looks all fancy and nice. I like it. I got the, oh, it smells brand new too. Accessories package. I'll open that here a second, and here's the cooler itself. Let me take it out. Alright, so I got it out, have a package. Yep, here's all the things we need. Oh, I have to go through this. Oh, this thermal paste. I was right. Alright, so I'll take the cooler itself right here. We'll take it out here in a second. Alright, I'm gonna take these Phillips right here. Take all these off. We're gonna do it down here and the bottom, exact same thing. Alright, so we're gonna put, to install the brackets on for the CPU cooler, we're gonna put these first, and the brackets on top, and then the screws. Alright, we got all these standoffs right here. Just like that, all four. Now we're gonna get the brackets. These ones, we're just gonna put them on. Alright, we put the brackets on. Pretty sure it's supposed to be set like this. I thought it was gonna be top and bottom, but it does not fit, so it has to be side by side. So just double check. Little screw, not too tight. Alright, and it should be under. Just a little tug. Yep. Alright, we're done. Alright, now it's time to install our motherboard and the PC case. So to take this off, we just unscrew right here. It's holding this tempered glass side right here. Then we just, pretty sure, just pull it. Alright, and there's tabs on the bottom, so you just lift it up. Like that. Alright, and the top, we just pull it. Like that. Just pull it up. Easy. And then the front panel, we just, the same here, just easily push it out. There's tabs down here, just lift it up, and boom, there we go. Alright, on the back plate, we just unscrew this right here, and it should be, I think we should be able to just take it out now. Yep, just like that. And there's the back. Gotta unscrew this to open this up, but that's pretty much the back of the 95 Pro. Alright, let's place it in right here in these holes. Alright, we managed to put it in. I couldn't for a second because right here, the fan cord right here was stuck in front of the I/O plate, so I had to take it out. So we fit it in. Alright, now we're gonna screw it in. Alright, we got them screwed in. Here are the screws. There's one in the corner right there. One right here. Let's see if I can see it. It's right there. Let me try to zoom in right there. That's right there. It's a little hiding right there in the middle. And then end right there. And then one right here. One right there. And then one here on the side. This one's a little bit difficult. So right there. And then the tops, just the top, boom, boom, and then boom, and that's it. All right, let's go ahead and put the AIO in now. All right, for the radiator, we're gonna unscrew this top right here. Just should be, how many screws was it? Four. There's 4 screws. Oops, let me start. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one. All right, let's do it. All right, got screws off. There we go. Alright, we're back. We kind of skipped through, but pretty much we took it out, screwed the radiator like this. We'd only put the first 4 screws, and we didn't screw them all the way tight, just let them loose so we can slide it. Then we put the top in like this, and then we definitely need to slide it, so we slide it more towards the left, and now it's perfect. So now we're just screwing from the top. Alright, that's how we screw in the radiator. Alright, now we're just finishing up the radiator screw-ins, all 12 of them, and now we just need to screw the top in so it could be in there now. And then we're done with the top. Let's go. Alright, finally the PSU. So this is the power supply I got, the ASRock 1300. I was originally gonna get the Rogue Strix, but this was more cheaper, and this one is 1300 instead of 1200. And I heard this one's good, so hopefully we're right with this. 3.1, 5.1 ready, and it's a gold. Alright, let's open it up. Cheers! Look at it. Oh, it looks fancy. There's the PSU right there. The power supply, power cord. Let's see what the bag is in. Oh, geez, you got my bag. Got all the cords. Geez, you look at all these cords. You gonna do them all, bro? Hell no. Look at all the braided cords. These look high quality. And then the PSC right here. Wait, actually, before that, probably just a quick guide right there. Ooh, got some zips. This is nice. Oh, the power supply. No, I thought it was gonna be bigger. It's perfect. I think it's perfect. It'll fit in the PC case. All right, let's open everything. All right. So far, let me show you. We connected the motherboard cord. We did the GPU port. Not gonna lie, I don't know if I did this right, but we'll see. So hopefully we did. And then CPU lines. I might have to add more cords later, maybe. Good chance we're probably missing some. Hopefully we'll figure it out. All right, this is where we're gonna go. We're just gonna put it in there and screw it in. So let's try that. I do hope this is fine. This thing's a little crooked. You guys see that? Hopefully it's fine. The same a little bit on this one, but I still plugged it in. Feels fine. Hopefully no problems occur from this. Alright. Sorry I kind of skipped it. I spent my time putting all the cords up. Also my cousin had to go home, so it was hard trying to record. It was hard to put the CPU cooler on. I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling. And I couldn't do it recording with my phone by myself. I corded everything. I think I did it right. Hopefully you can't see, it's too dark. But I put like the front panel ports, HD ports, USB-C ports on the bottom here. I'm pretty sure I did them right, hopefully. And I just connected the LCD. I think I connected that right too. Hopefully I did, or about to find out. Alright, we're gonna do the GPU now. Alright, I had to skip this part. I cannot do this with a phone on my hand. I put the GPU in, reconnected the power cord. Now we're just gonna test it. I don't think I want to record testing this actually. Alright, we'll see. So we're gonna test it now before we close everything off. Oh my god, I forgot to press the record button, my bad. Alright, so we just plugged it in. I pressed the power. So far everything seems fine. Oh crap. Is power it on? The fans seem normal. I can't really tell if they're going too fast or not though. I think I did everything right. This is not turning on. I think that could be normal because I know I have the SATA powers on. Seeing as these are turning on, then I did plug them in right, but no, let's wait for a minute. My god, I really like how it looks though, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so far it seems right. Alright, let's see if I plugged in the headers right. Alright, press Y. Oh. Oh my god, there it is. Look at that. Jeez, oh my god, this is my first time ever doing something like this. This is so cool. Yeah, I need to do some cable management, I'm not gonna lie. Did I do it right? Oh, it detects the SSDs. Alright, everything seems alright. Now we just gotta press F1. There we go. Cheese! Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna go easy mode, but I'm gonna look around real quick, so I'm gonna pause this video. Alright guys, this is me now 7 months later. I'm so sorry guys. I forgot I didn't finish the video. I barely remember what happened. I think it's because like I had a long day. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do it next day, and I did the same thing next day, and I ended up forgetting to finish the video. So yeah, I'm sorry guys. I don't remember what I did with the BIOS. I mean, I'm sure. I think I did watch like a video and I just like tweak a little bit of things, but nothing too crazy. So I pretty much have almost everything on default, as I remember. But here's my PC now. I guess I'll tell you about it. How it's been the last 7 months. So as you can see, I have it all in purple because of well, you can see the picture. Solo Leveling, Sung Jinwoo. So I just kept it like this ever since. I just have to change it to rainbow or blue. But lately I've been mainly I've been just turning them off. I haven't really kept the lights on. And the same for the display. I have to open the application for this display, and I don't like keeping it on all the time. But here it still looks nice though. But I find myself not using this Thermalright display at all. I think I did move some cords, but as you can see right here, this is like long cord. I don't know if you can see it clearly. There's just long cord that's like right there. I just left it there. It's unplugged. It's not plugged into anything. But that's everything else. Is like I managed the best I could. So far, it's been fine. It's been fast, no issues. I know in the BIOS there's a lot of things I didn't tweak, but honestly, so far it's been good enough for me. So here how it looks. I'm gonna show the other side of the front. I can't camera angle. I think I might show you guys in like in pictures how it looks. But here's in the front side. What I like the purple around here. I like it. Alright, so the last 7 months, it's been running almost everything I want to throw at it. Editing videos, edit Photoshop, I can play literally on almost any games. Now I have 1080p monitors, so like all my games are 240 FPS. Almost all of them are stable. Maxed out settings. I do connect it to my TV. Let me show y'all. My 4K 77-inch LG OLED G4 TV, as you can see here. And I haven't looked like at the FPS, but I mean every games I play on it, it looks beautiful. I just realized I haven't played Microsoft Flight Simulator on my TV. I've been mainly just playing it on my VR or my monitor. I need to try that out. But if I try to connect it to my 4K TV, I don't know how this GPU is gonna handle that. But I need to check that. I should have checked that out. It's been 6 months. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's my 2 monitors. Now that's probably gonna be the next thing we do. I need a new monitor still. I still have my old 1080p monitors. And you can see right here. Look at that. Look at those dead pixels on the side. Ugh, terrible. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It was my wallpaper too. I could run all. I have like, so I need to still organize more of my games, but I still have like 30 other games all in here. But yeah, these last 7 months, I've been loving my PC. Now I still want like a 5080 Super, but as of January, there has not been no announcements, and I have a feeling at this point they're probably gonna skip this year for the Super series. They might just. We literally have just 1 more year until like the 60 series, so I don't see like no point. It's already January. There's no announcements, so I guess I'm gonna be stuck with this until the next series. And then now there's RAM prices has rised. I got these suckers for 200. I think they're like going for like 500 now. Oh my gosh. And then GPU is probably next. So I don't know when the next time's gonna be, guys. I really enjoyed building this, and I want to sometime do it again, or at least maybe upgrade some parts. But now with everything rising, this honestly might be stuck with this for the next 5 years. But I really enjoyed building this PC. This was fun. I hope we can do it again. We'll see. It probably won't be for a long time. Or maybe like a build PC for someone. But lately everyone I've been knowing don't want to buy PCs because of the rise of prices. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry about like the last, 5 minutes of the video. I was cutting a lot of parts. I'm sorry, it was very hard to build this and record by myself. So I'm sorry for I think it was like last 5 minutes or maybe 3 minutes, because this video, there's a lot of cutting. So this video's probably pretty short. Alright guys, well until next time, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see y'all whenever my next unboxing or next vid is. Alright, thank you. Cheers.